I'm at Home Goods. I'm waiting for Ellie and my sister to join me. We are going to look for things to use the new stencils on.
I have wanted to start a creative project for my store. It started about 2017, 2018. I had a dream. We would have constant creative classes at my shop, but somebody told me that my dream wasn't possible. I believed them. 7 years later, I'm finally doing it, and I'm sort of scratching my head, asking myself why I believed that I couldn't do it in the first place. So if you have creative blocks, this video is for you. I'm going to tell you how I overcame some creative blocks in my own life and give you some tips. Are you excited?
I don't know.
I thought that if we created a bunch of signs and projects using stencils, that we could have the samples displayed at the store, we would have the stencils, and then the customers could just come in like a creative cafe and pick whatever project they wanted to paint, and they could do it. And so I ordered $400 worth of stencils.
We want to ask you if we can add more subscribers.
No.
At that point, I did not think Grandpa was going to be able to cut anymore, but
before I tell you the rest of my story, I want to let you know that my dad has been cutting 1,000 tiny houses for the subscription boxes that are going out at the end of the month. Each box comes with 3 houses. There's more to that story as well, which you will see coming up in the video. 7 years ago, I ordered about $400 worth of stencils off of Etsy. This was for my dream stencil bar. I gave them to my assistants and I said, make stuff with these so that we can set up this stencil creative bar situation. And I was so excited about it. 7 years ago now, this is how long I've been trying to do this. Right now, I am using the Here Comes the Sun stencil and some pinstriping tape to create this sign. After church on Sunday, we all went to breakfast and then we went to a vintage market with Ellie. We're gonna get a burger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be. Your life, the weight on your shoulders, time to put it down. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. When you fall and you break, you got changes to make now. See the light at the end of the tunnel, it's right there, now just look up and follow. Take one step.
What's up? Those are all the sampler boxes that are going out, plus other stuff. Jenny has been packing up a storm. Who is here? Oh my goodness, Grandpa's here. Levi, don't hurt your tail. Bobby, don't let him murder his tail. Are you excited?
I don't know. There's so many problems facing us that I don't know whether to get excited about the problems that are coming or what.
Or the ones that are going? Get excited about the ones that are going. Looks good. Is it level?
Yep.
It's for our new sign bar. Finally, it has taken forever, but we are finally gonna do this.
So is this going to be the top shelf?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta go find material to...
Okay, but first tell me what that sign says at the top.
Good day, sunshine.
And it's a good day, right?
But the sun ain't shining.
But it's still a good day. Okay, my dad put up the first shelf for our sign bar. We're gonna add a few more and make some more signs. It's gonna be really fun.
I'm at Home Goods. I'm waiting for Ellie and my sister to join me. We are going to look for things to use the new stencils on.
guys, I just got to Home Goods. Debbie's inside. I'm gonna go find her, and we are gonna look for some clearance items and garden items to take down to the store and transform for the garden because the sign bar is ready. Outfit of the day with my belly hanging out.
You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane, and it's bubbling over like a sweet champagne. You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. All day long, right or wrong, you question everything. Why the grass is green, can I stay up late, and why do the bluebirds sing? Sometimes you cry your big blue eyes for no discernible reason. Your point of view, it comes and goes like the changing of the seasons. You got your mama's sunshine.
Okay, now we are gonna head over to my least favorite thrift store, the Hospice Resale Shop. Let's see what we can find.
Like a sweet champagne, you got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You act just like your father, yeah, you laugh at your own jokes. You're pleased with your opinions, girl, you want the world to know. We don't need no Mona Lisa, don't need Dolly.
I found this wooden fish in the clearance aisle at HomeGoods, and I knew it would be perfect for one of our new stencils. When you're blending, it's easier if you pick colors that are similar. I picked some blues and greens. I also got out 3 separate brushes, one for each color, and then a brush just for blending the colors together.
Hey guys, we're gonna go check on Grandpa because he is down to the last bit of houses, and I'm gonna go ask him if we have enough room to add some more subscribers. So let's go see what he says. Say hi to Grandpa. Whee! Let's go say hi to Grandpa. Where is he? I have a question. Are your ears in? My question is, we want to ask you if we can add more subscribers. So, are you almost finished?
No, I'm still. See, she wants 288 of each one, and this is what I've got right now. And I'm trying to make this number.
So, we have 290 subscribers. We want to add at least 10 more. So that would be 30 more of each. Okay, you guys, at that point, I did not think Grandpa was going to be able to cut anymore, but since it's been a couple days, he actually was able to cut a little bit more, and he wanted to. So we have about 12 more spots left on our subscription for this month, and then next month we'll reopen more, but make sure that you go sign up for a subscription box for this month, because after these 12 are sold, we cannot take any more new subscribers for this month because Grandpa cannot keep cutting these houses. So anyways, go check it out on our website, DIYagogo.com.
I had to steal 3 of Grandpa's houses because I needed to film the video tutorial that comes with the subscription box. I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of how these houses are going to look, and I'm also going to get back to my story about this dream stencil bar. So 7 years ago, I bought those stencils. I gave them to the girls who were working with me at the time, and I said, make pretty stuff with it. I came back a few days later, and my manager at the time told me that the stencils were not working. Okay, there's Levi. Happy Wednesday, Levi. Show me your baby. Show me your baby. Where did Bobby give you your baby? What's for lunch, Dad? Chicken? Sounds exciting. Levi obviously wants some. She showed me the signs and they were all blurry. What do you mean they're not working? People stencil all over the world. I don't know, but we can't make these work, and neither could anyone else who worked for me. She just convinced me that stenciling was super hard and not something that could easily be done, and that I had wasted $400 on the stencils. I was super disappointed, and I packed up my dream and I put it on the shelf and just thought, well, I guess that's just the way that it it is. When my team told me that they could not create with the stencils, I also tried. I couldn't make anything work either. A few years later, Zeb and Jamie came out with their own stencil line. I watched them create the most beautiful things with stencils. I still didn't believe that I could do it. I just thought that they had some kind of magic sauce that I did not have. It was not until Zeb showed me in person how to stencil. A few simple tips and I was getting great results. Tip number 1 is to make sure that you do not have too much paint on your brush. I always blot off my brush with a paper towel before I start stenciling, and I use DIY paint because it's very pigmented. I usually go over it again with a wetter paintbrush to get a more hand-painted look and to add detail.
These new stencils that Debbie created on our website, DIYagogo.com, underneath stencils. You can be sure to filter it newest to oldest so that you can see all of them. They are so cute and there are so many good ones, so make sure you go check it out.
Look, here they all are. He hand cut them and sanded them. There's just a million, well, not a million, but 288 times 3. There is the sawdust with a footprint in it. He said that these were the hardest to cut. I thought they would be the easiest to cut because it's just a one-sided roof, but he said those were the most difficult. There's all the scraps. There's some over there that are partially done. We did it. It's Friday morning. I'm at the store. This is the day before we post the video for you guys. Usually I edit all day Saturday morning. Ellie does the editing all week long, but it's Friday. My dad finished the houses. I am so excited about that. He even made 10 extra. He's pooped. He did cut 1,000 houses. As of now, we have enough room for 12 more people to sign up, but after that we're just gonna have to cut it off for this month because I don't want him to run away. Anyway, I thought I would show you some new stuff that came in. I'm really excited. We've had these before and they always sell out. Ceramic painters palettes. I have a couple. I love them. See, they're for mixing paint, but they're ceramic and they're really heavy duty and cool. So we are sold out of these and we have more. This is a sign that was started years ago and was never finished, just like my stencil bar dream. What if Zeb had never showed me how easy it was to stencil? Oftentimes people will influence you and they mean well and they lead you to believe that you can't do something. I am here to tell you that so many times I've thought I could not do something. Turns out I was capable of more than I gave myself credit for. You can do so much more than you think you can. When you guys get the subscription boxes, you get a little pack of artist paint. So I saw these. Look at how cute is that? And then you get all these art brushes inside. Little brushes like this just really vary. Some of them are super expensive and super high end and will last you forever. We tend to use the craft quality brushes because we're sending out craft boxes every month and we need a new set every month. So it wouldn't make sense for us to do super high end brushes. And I honestly just like to abuse my brushes and then throw them away. So we have just a few of these. We also have the very last of the original sampler box. You get 2 ounces of all these colors and it comes with a website page to all of our color mixing recipes. You get all of these, 8 of these in all these colors. And so they're at the introductory price and we're getting ready to launch our summer sampler boxes with summer colors, but those will be a higher price because the warehouse told me it's very labor intensive to pour. They hand pour tiny jars. So if you want the original one at the original price before the price goes up, we have maybe 2 dozen left. So get those while you can. We also got this top right here that I'm wearing and it is on the website as well. I love it. I've worn it like 6 times already. I'm wearing the small. See, and it goes to like my hip. I'm 5'4" and it's flouncy. It's super flouncy. I am using a very inexpensive craft brush to swirl my paint through the stencil. I am also pressing down with my fingers in every little nook and cranny so that the stencil does not pop up and paint gets under it. And I get great results this way. Okay, this one is finished. I need to seal it. I am going home for tonight, but I am happy with that one. I finished my dinner. I wish the camera would capture the amazing sunset. You can see it a little bit, but not really. It's incredible. Grandpa completed all of the houses, so he's cutting up the rest with the leftover lumber. I'm gonna check on him. There he is, the hero.
Well, I got those done.
How many do we have now?
An extra 10
An extra 10?
per
Okay.
shape. So we got
Okay, so
extra in case.
excellent, Dad. Thank you. Did you want to say thank you to Cynthia for sending you that book?
Oh yeah, I started it.
You did?
Yeah,
Okay, thank you, Cynthia Fisher. We really appreciate it, and my dad is reading it. And thank you, everyone who's been praying for you, right, Dad?
thank you so much for that. I really need that prayer.
We love you, Dad. There's so much love for you from all over the world.
I don't know how to express my gratitude.
So I'm editing this video right now, and I got to this part, and it is so hard to watch my dad hurting. I want to express how appreciative we are of all of your prayers and all of your comments. He reads them all. We are doing everything that we can and taking all the advice that we can. We have an appointment with the doctor next week, and we're hopeful that we can get him feeling better. I want to say that it may seem like we are working him like crazy. At the end of the day, he tells me he doesn't want to go home. I want to thank you because all of these houses are keeping him busy. They're helping our whole family. So we will keep you posted. Thank you. So we need another display like this one, and Grandpa, because he's finished the houses, is working on the next little corner where we will hang some more signs. So Grandpa has this part up and he's started making the shelves. I am gonna get this painted real quick so that when he puts up the shelves it will be easier. Okay, it is looking so good. I can't wait to put the signs up. Okay, now I'm gonna paint the shelves and put the new signs up. 7 years later, and my sign bar is almost finished. And I want to remind you that you can do more than you believe you can. And I want to encourage you to seek out people that will help you learn new skills. My last tip for you is the most important one: take action. I had a coach who told me Olympic athletes do not learn how to become champions by watching the skills on TV. They learn by doing. So when you're done with this video, go get after something that you have been putting off. You will be glad you did.
She was a good companion, eyes like the Grand Canyon. She was an American beauty. She was a long goodbye. She was the best I lived by. She was an American beauty. With her wafers on in the summer sun, her touch felt like a loaded gun. Wish I had held her longer. Wish I had held her longer.
You are invited to the grand opening of my sign bar. Be sure to sign up for our newsletter so that you will know when we're finally ready. I am also teaching a class in Northern California at the end of October. All the information is in the description box, along with information for all the products we used in this video. To find DIY paint in your area or to sell it in your store, click the link below.
She was an American beauty. Her blue eyes shine in the summer sun. Her kiss felt like a loaded gun. Wish I had held her longer. Wish I had held her longer.